I lost thousands in the last market crash. In fact, here's how much the market dropped in the last 10 years. And here's how much my portfolio dropped. But what's crazy is this one strategy saved me thousands. And most people miss this. In fact, 90% of investors don't do this. But those who do are able to keep more of their money in the market for longer. So what is this secret strategy? The power of rebalancing. In a nutshell, rebalancing is when you sell your winners and buy your losers. But why would you do that? Because when one investment grows too big, you sell some and buy some of the other investments to bring everything back into balance. For example, let's say your portfolio is 60 stocks and 40 bonds. Stocks go up 10%, and now your portfolio is 66% stocks and 34% bonds. You would then sell some of the stocks and buy some bonds to bring it back down to 60, 40. Or if stocks drop 20%, you would buy more stocks and sell some bonds to bring your portfolio back to its target allocation. It sounds simple, but the power of rebalancing is that when you stick to a plan, you can stay calm. Like in 2020, when the market dropped 33% in one day, I didn't panic because my portfolio was already rebalanced. If you're out of balance, you'll fall over. But if you're in balance, you can keep moving forward. In fact, because my portfolio was rebalanced, I took advantage of the drop and bought more. That move alone helped me recover 15% faster than just holding on to what I had. See, right before the crash, my bond allocation had grown too big, so I sold some bonds and bought more stocks at a discount. Because when you rebalance, you take profits from your winners and losses from your losers. You're able to stay balanced and level-headed. So every 6 months or a quarter, or whenever your allocations drift 5–10% away from your target. It's like riding a bike. So how often should you rebalance? Ideally, rebalance on a calendar. Apps like M1 Finance and Fidelity can even do it automatically. So if you want to stay rich and keep more of your money invested for longer, remember the power of rebalancing. And that's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.